Welcome to the brand new 2025 Cadillac XT4 Sport in deep sea metallic. This SUV is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the XT4, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with perforated hand grips and paddle shifters, 33-inch touchscreen that integrates your gauge cluster, heads-up display, and also has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation. Heads-up display I just mentioned. Push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter, audio, and navigation controls can be found here in the center console, AKG audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the XT4, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Continental Pro contact tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, monochromatic Cadillac badges on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, Cadillac badge in the center of the sport grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have clear taillights. XT4 all-wheel drive Cadillac and 350T badging can all be found here on the hatch, and the twin chrome-tipped exhaust. Heading back inside the XT4, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Privacy liner is installed. Cup holders come down here in the middle. AKG audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have the heated seats controls and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 Cadillac XT4 Sport. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.